Here's a great deal on a 2011 Lincoln MKZ. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Lincoln prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.